If you'd asked me a couple of years ago, I probably would have told you that mining management is just inherently stressful. Constant firefighting, that pressure cooker feeling trying to hit targets for safety, production, and cost all at once, departments pulling in different directions. It felt like the norm. We were stuck, running hard, but basically staying in the same place, production-wise. Missed targets often meant painful budget talks or arguing for capex we weren't sure would even fix the core issues. Honestly, some days you felt like you were just wrestling chaos, getting pulled into every little problem instead of actually leading. Then, Stratflow came in. I'll admit, there was skepticism. Another system. Is this just theory? Can we really change how we've always done things? But we committed. We started looking at our whole operation differently as one connected system. We learned about theory of constraints, found our real bottleneck, which wasn't where we initially thought, and started managing everything around keeping it flowing smoothly. That meant introducing strategic buffers, like managing our run-of-mine stockpile properly to absorb the daily hits and variability. The biggest change for us day to day. The flow room. That simple, focused, daily meeting transformed how we work. Suddenly, everyone mining, maintenance, processing was looking at the same picture, focused on the same goal, protecting that bottleneck flow. Silos started to break down because we were coordinating proactively, seeing potential problems days ahead instead of reacting when they hit. The results? Honestly, they still astound me. We unlocked a massive amount of hidden capacity, saw our output jump by a third without spending big money on new gear. But it's more than just the tons. It's the feeling. The head of ops called it the calmest period in years, and he's right. That constant firefighting. It's mostly gone. Decisions are calmer, more planned. The crews feel it too. They say it's the best system they've seen, safer because we are not rushing. For me personally, the stress levels are way down. I feel like I'm managing the operation, not the other way around. Looking back, the complexity we thought was inherent was actually something we were creating. This approach simplified things. Now, when people ask me about it, the main thing I hear myself saying, and what I hear from my team is, why didn't we do this sooner? My advice: if you're feeling stuck in that cycle of firefighting and missed targets, just do it.